starting out is almost as much fun as coming home. And that's what this award is all about, to recognize the beginning of an artistic journey. And once you get to know these emerging talents, you want to get there with them. IFTA award goes to Tomm Moore. Right.
Well, it's kind of mad being up here again. Of course, you know, it's such a collaborative medium I work in as an animator. I have to say a big shout out again to all the artists that we work with. And in particular to my partners in Cartoon Saloon, Paul Young, Nora Toomey and Ross Murray. And I really want to say a big thanks to my wife, Lisa Lott, and my son, Ben. So thank you all very much.